what up, what's up? You already know the drill. Look, first things first, man, y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Turn your notifications on so you can know when I drop another video. Now, looking at the box, you got the plain orange and white box. Pretty simple. So here we go. What we have today is the women's Air Max 1 LX in total orange, white, and black. Now, the last time I did a pair of these, I said tonal orange. Why? I don't know. I'll be tripping sometime. Now, opening the box, you get one Just Do It sticker. The other pair I reviewed, they came with two, the Air Force Ones, but it is what it is. Now, here it is, the Air Force One Just Do It for women. Now, these come with an extra pair of laces, pair of black laces, clear bag with the Nike label on it. Let's get that out the way. Here's the kicks, man. I'm feeling them. No, it is what it is. It's not for me to feel, though. It's a women's shoe. So it is what it is. You know, I'm just giving y'all a look at it, man. As you can see, it's overloaded with the Just Do It branding. Pretty self-explanatory. You see, it's covered in that total orange. Just Do It everywhere. You know what I mean? So I think it's a well put together shoe, man. Just like I said with the other one, same thing. You know, so this is a part of the Just Do It pack, which includes Air Max 1, Air Max 95, and an Air Force One. On the back, you see the big Just Do It sticker. On the inside, you see the branding. Now here's a look at these laces, black laces with Just Do It printed on them. Now the other laces are black, but they're plain. Now here's a look at that swoosh with kind of like a holographic effect to it. On the side, Just Do It, Just Do It, Just Do It. You hear me? I mean, it's a pretty dope shoe, man. You know, ain't really too much to say about it. You know, it is what it is, man. Y'all let me know in the comments what you think. You feeling them? Gonna get these for your shorty, whatever the case is, you know what I'm saying? So, and here's the other shoe. This one has the Just Do It hang tag on it. Now the other pair, the Air Force Ones I did, when we looked at the back, they were different. Now it looks like these two shoes are identical. You know what I mean? It looks like they got all the branding in the same spots. You know what I'm saying? So it is what it is. They kept it simple for the women. You know what I mean? Now make sure y'all stay tuned because I'm gonna do a review of the other pair, the white pair. You know what I'm saying? So stay tuned if you're interested in seeing that. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna do that in another video though. So, you know, look for that to get uploaded tonight. As I say, man, look, there's a closer look at the shoe, man. You have like a tumbled leather effect on some parts of the shoe. Not the whole shoe, but some parts of the shoe. You know, but other than that, man, look, it is what it is. Pretty nice shoe. You know, this is for the women. This is the Air Max 1 LX. Just Do It. You know, like I said, this is a part of the Just Do It pack. So, you know, it is what it is, man. Look, that was my look at the shoe. Go ahead, subscribe to the channel. Follow us on Instagram at PetLazar504. Let's get into this on feet. And like I always say, I'ma holler back.